How to install a cabin air filter for a 2005 to 2019 Chevy Corvette. This filter also fits a 2004 to 2009 Cadillac XLR. This installation is completely done through the engine compartment. A flathead screwdriver is recommended, but not necessary. First, locate the panel covering the filter housing. It is right in front of the passenger side air conditioning ducts. It has 3 clips holding the panel in place. Unclip the panel and move aside. You can now pull out the air filter. You can pull it out by hand, and you can use a screwdriver to help you loosen it. You will notice some steel hoses in front of the air filter. If they're in your way, you can partially detach the hoses by pressing on the white button between them and pulling apart. Now get your new air filter. When the air filter has no arrow pointing out the direction of airflow, remember that the air will be flowing in the direction of the side with the open flaps. In this case, that side should be pointing up. You can now insert the new filter. It should be inserted horizontally with the longer sides to the front and back. Now you can replace the panel, remembering that the clips are at the top. Don't forget to clip the hoses back together. And that's it, you're done. Thanks for watching. Brock Supply, your advantage in automotive.